Okay, so today guys, as you can see, the truck. I know I said there was a video coming on this, but I've almost have it done. There's like I think 3 to 4 parts, I don't remember. But that has nothing to do with today. But today, as you probably can't see, I'll get it closer up, but we're gonna be cleaning these wheels. The first thing is that these front ones use most of the braking because that has most of the weight, so you get most of your braking in the front. So more braking equals more brake dust. And these front ones are brown, pretty much. The chrome is pretty much brown. So that's what we're going to be doing. The back ones, they just have probably road grime on them from the road, so they're a little bit faded a bit. But the front ones are the worst, especially this one right here. I'll get it closer up and show you guys what it looks like. But that's what we're going to be doing. We're not going to be cleaning the truck. I'm going to do like a how to clean your wheels without using water. You don't have to use water on everything. You can use a microfiber and this product I'm going to be using to clean it. But yeah, I'll get closer up and show you what this front wheel looks like. Okay, so this is what this front wheel looks like. I can probably get from this angle, it's probably a little bit better. But as you can see, I wipe my finger right there, and I'll wipe it again to show you. See, I'll wipe it. See how much? It probably won't even focus on my finger, but that is brake dust, which is can actually cause like harm to your wheels. They'll I don't know what it'll do, but it'll fade the chrome. If you have chrome wheels, it'll fade it. If you have black wheels, they'll fade the black in them, which is, I mean, it'll be bad, but if you care about your wheels, then I would clean them. But that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to show you the product I'm going to be using when I start cleaning them. I'm just going to clean it here right in the shop, and yeah, we'll get started. Okay, so this is the first wheel we're going to be doing. And I know everything's low to the ground. My tripod will only go so low. But this is the first wheel we're going to be doing. It's that one I just showed you. You can see the marks right here. But I'll get the product and I'll show you what I'm going to be using. It's like a all surface cleaner. It's like a for anything. And it won't scratch any of these wheels. It'll just clean them pretty much. But if you just use a rag, it will scratch these rims. And the inside of the barrel, probably even worse. You can see that my fingers, I'll do like 3 fingers so you can actually see it. But like, I won't be getting the inside just because I really can't reach it. But like, as you can see, these sides are pretty dirty. So I'll go get the product and I'll show you. So I'm going to be using this. I don't even know how to say that name right there. But if it focuses, that's the brand. It's like Megatars or something. It's just a quick detailer. It's for like paint, but this is technically like chrome, and people use it on paint. And then you want to use a cheap, kind of dirty-ish microfiber. It's kind of dirty. I don't know what it came from. I think I did the Jeep steering wheel. So first, you just want to kind of spray the whole thing down, and then just start wiping. Kind of want to go from top to bottom, so you get, and then you want to get all these crevices too. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I wipe the whole thing down. I'll show you how dirty the rag is too. Okay, so I'm back now. I know I kind of peeped in the camera, but this is one way, but like, it's probably the easiest way, but like at the same time, it could be the hardest way, because if you look at this microfiber now, you see how dirty it is. Yeah, that's just all brake dust. It's black brownish color. Probably won't even focus, kind of did. But that's what makes this all dirty. But as you can see, our wheel is now clean. It took me about like 5 minutes to do it. Kind of just get the whole thing. But now I'll show you another way you can clean your wheel. I'm gonna have multiple things you can do to clean wheels. Multiple things. Oh my God, I don't even know how to speak. Multiple wheels. I don't even know what the word would be, but multiple ways you can clean your vehicle's wheels. If they're like this, they have an offset in. Well, if your offset's more out, this one's pretty clean now from that. It didn't scratch or anything. And now if I wipe it, I probably should do 2 clean fingers, but like, yeah. See, focus. Yeah, see how clean? But it'll leave a fingerprint, so. But I'll show you another way now. And then my second option would be to be using soap and water, of course, because you can't just use soap without water. So I'm using Mr. Pink. It's just more sudsy than the other ones. And it's by Chemical Guys, of course. If you guys can see that, yep. Okay, and then I think this is Chemical Guys brush. I always use this brush, as you see in all my car vids. I think I washed them this weekend or something because it's wet. Didn't know it was wet. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. We'll see which one's better. So first, of course, you gotta wet it down. And then I'm gonna put a little soap. I know you guys can't see this, but I'm gonna put a little soap in there and a little water, not much water. Probably about this much water, not much, just enough to get the sponge soapy. And then, of course, you just wipe it on down. I usually like to get it all first and then go in the spokes. So now you just wipe the spokes. Like that. Redriven this probably like, I don't know, probably like 150 miles this weekend. So this is why these are dirty. So that's why I wanted to do a video on this, because a lot of people don't know how to wash wheels or think it's too hard. And realistically, the first step I did was so easy. So once you got your wheel done, I did it in real time. You can count. I'm just gonna do the wheel and I'll spray it down. And just like that, you have a clean wheel. Now, this is a back tire. You can probably tell by the exhaust and whatnot. But these back wheels weren't as bad as the front because the fronts have more load on them. Is that more stuff? No, that's just the old owners. But as you can see, there's nothing on my fingers at all. So, got 2 of these wheels. We got this one and then one down there done. The passenger front done and the passenger rear done. So now I'm just gonna actually probably just repeat the steps for the other side of just using this water, a little soap, and then wet it down, because it seems pretty easy. And I'll see if you guys think it's better than how it was. It's gonna be better, but on camera we'll see if it looks better. You guys are gonna see it at the same time I do. So after cleaning all the tires, you can see, let me try to get these suds. This is the soap that's sudsy. But as you can see, if I some of these suds out, the water is just like brown black almost. Yeah, right there, you guys can see now. Definitely can see that. It's just a brown color. I'll pour it out right here too. Can't really tell, but now look. You could see how dirty those wheels were just from the brakes. That's just brake dust. All that's from the brakes. And that's why it's really, like, brake dust can cause cancer, but it also can cause your wheels, like your rims, to fade. And then if you get brake dust on your skin, it's bad because you can get cancer from it, or breathing in brake dust can even give you cancer. So, okay, as I was saying, I was meaning like it can cause cancer and cause your wheels to fade. So that's why it's bad to have, oh my God, yeah, I probably should turn the brightness down. And that's why it's bad to have brake dust right there, well, on your wheels. So that was a little bit of like two ways you can clean your wheels. You can clean them by using water or soap, or by using like a cleaner, like a wheel cleaner. There's also, after you're done washing them, there's a chrome polish. You can, it's so dark. Let me try to get light. But there's also wheel polish, like chrome polish, wheel polish, that you can use on your truck, whatever, if you have a car that has chrome wheels, and it can polish them if they are faded from brake dust. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, like. This is going to be a short one, but that was a how-to video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.